I am God, Lucifer, Saint Valentine Mesea, Kenneth Fernandez Lamog, Pilipino, Dakilang Abnoy of Russia, 333 Russians, Pinoy of Philippines. Russians, my message 1. Russians, mga asawa ko, January 31, 2018, Super Blue Blood Moon, Frost. It's because of me. I admit it. I got risky on my side. I offer you all fraternity, heaven, salvation, solar energy. Russians, mga asawa ko, palangga ko kamutanan. Journey to Russia.